When you open a long article, what's the first thing you look for? Headings. They act like signboards, guiding you through the content. In this video, we will explore how headings make your content easier to read and understand. Headings divide your content into smaller, digestible sections. This helps reader process information in chunks rather than feeling overwhelmed by long paragraphs. Good headings create a clear hierarchy. H1 for the main topic, H2 for the subtopic, and H3 for details. This logical structure keeps content organized. Most readers don't read word by word, they scan. Headings make scanning faster, so they can jump directly to the section they are interested in. Well-written headings sparks curiosity. They encourage readers to continue reading instead of leaving the page, which improves engagement metrics. Headings help search engines understand your content, and they also make your content accessible to screen readers, improving the experience for all users. Long, unbroken text is mentally tiring. Heading act as a mental rest stops, giving reader a quick pause before moving to the next idea. Headings emphasize important topics. Even if a reader doesn't go through the entire text, they will remember the main points from the headings alone. Structured headings make content look neat and professional. This builds trust and positions you as an authority in your niche. Use clear, descriptive headings. Keep them short and include keywords naturally. Avoid clickbait style headings that mislead the reader. Headings guide the reader, improves readability, enhances SEO, and make your content more professional. They are a must-have in every piece of content you publish. Start using headings strategically in your blogs, articles, and web pages. Well-structured content keeps reader happy and search engines impressed. If you found this video helpful, hit the like, share, and subscribe for more SEO tips.
To know more about this topic in detail or to enroll in our online course, click on the link given in the video description below. Thank you.